So, what's up, guys? So, in this video, we will be doing the committing basic exercise, and this is all for Git. So, starting off, we need to make a folder. So, we're gonna create a folder here in the desktop. We're gonna name this folder shopping. So, shopping. I'll put it right in the middle. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so now we need to get to this folder. So I'm just gonna command prompt and wait, I blocked off the folder. So shopping here, just gonna copy that, cd, boom. And now we are in the folder. The command prompt is now in the folder. The first thing we're gonna do is we're not gonna check Git. I'm gonna make sure we have Git. So just Git. Okay, so we have Git. Just gonna make sure right off the bat, just in case. So next up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna configure my username and email. Even if that's not included in the exercise, I'm just gonna include that just to make sure we have a rounded discussion. So it's pretty simple. Git config and global username, and then I'm just gonna put my name right here. So that's my username. So let's go. And then next up, my email. So it's very similar. Git config global user, but instead of name, it's email. I'm gonna write my student email right here at usc.edu.page. So after doing that, finally I'm gonna start initializing this folder. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is put git init. And it says right here, initialize empty git repository in C, in this file, in this folder. So you can see here, it's hidden, but you can see here that git file. And that git file shows every detail that we use for Git. It's all included and stored inside that Git file. So next up for this exercise is we're gonna create two text files. The first one is called yard.txt. So we're just gonna type right here, type null yard.txt. Okay, nice. So now we have that yard.txt text file. Next up is we're gonna make that groceries txt. So it's pretty the same. It's all the same, just a different name. That txt. Nice. We have both text files. And next is let's check status. So git status. So you can see here we have a couple of untracked files that Git has noticed. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna commit both of these files, but before that we need to put them in the stage zone. So we put them in the stage zone by using git add and then the name of the file. So first is yard.txt and then git add groceries.txt. Afterwards we will then commit these files. So git commit, and then we're gonna add a message. And the message here says create, we need these things. So create yard and groceries list. Yard and groceries lists. And that's it. Bang. So those have been committed. So if we check git status, there are no issues. On branch master, nothing to commit. Working 3 clean. So I don't know. This is not really showing us. I don't know how to increase the font size. Let's see. How do you? No, I don't know. But you can see right here that everything is working. So after that, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna edit the yard.txt. So we're just gonna open up this file right here. As you can see here, there's nothing here, but it says here that we need to add a couple of sentences. So first off is 2 bags of potting soil, and the next one is 1 bag of worms. Oh my god, 1 bag of worms worm castings. I'm gonna save that. Bang, we save that. And now next up, in the groceries.txt, we also have a few sentences that we need to include. So that would be 4 tomatoes, 6 shallots, and lastly we have 1 fennel bulb. So we're gonna save that. So now that we've edited the files, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna commit both of these files, but we're gonna do them separately. We're gonna start off with groceries.txt. So we're gonna go back to the command prompt, and we're gonna same as usual, same as before. We're just gonna add it to the stage. So git add groceries.txt. Bang, very simple. Now we're gonna commit. So git commit. Then we're gonna add a message, and the message that we're gonna add for this one is add well, let's see, ingredients for tomato soup. Now we have done it. Bang, very simple. And then next up, we're gonna commit yard, so we're just gonna add it first. So git add yard.txt, and then we're gonna commit it again. So git commit, and then we're gonna add this little message, and that message is add items needed for garden box. So awesome. So we have done all of this. And lastly, for the last part of this exercise, we are gonna edit again groceries.txt. So in groceries.txt, we're just gonna add, oh, is it groceries.txt? Oh wait, I think I made a mistake. Yes, yeah, it is groceries. Sorry about that. Yes, it is groceries.txt. We're gonna add 1 line here, couple of seed potatoes. I'm gonna save that. Bang. And then in the yard.txt file, we're actually gonna change the first line from 2 bags of potting soil into 3 bags. So we have here 3 bags of potting soil. I'm gonna save that. Bang. And then all we need to do now is to just add both files to the stage and commit. So we're just gonna do that right there. Git add yard.txt, git add groceries.txt, and then lastly we're gonna commit. So git commit, let's say git commit and the last message is add items needed to grow potatoes. Nice. Bang. So you see here we have done all of this, and the last thing that we are gonna do for this video is that we're gonna check everything that we have done. So we're gonna make sure that we did everything. So there's a specific command, which is a log, that shows every single commit that has been committed in this repository. So just gonna show here git log. As you can see here, you can see my name, my student account. As you can see here, the specific day and the specific time I have committed, and the message is add items needed to grow potatoes. This was right now, and this was the first one. So you can see here history of commits, and see as seen here, there should be 4 commits. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4. Now we've successfully finished this exercise. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.